Welcome to Implement IATF 16949 step by step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to build a world-class automotive quality management system that meets the industry's most demanding requirements. This preview is drawn from the full Udemy course. Let us get started. We begin by understanding what IATF 16949 requires and why it is the gold standard for automotive quality management. IATF 16949 relies on several core quality tools that every automotive supplier must master and apply consistently. APQP provides a structured framework for planning and defining the quality requirements for new products. PPAP demonstrates that a supplier can consistently produce parts meeting all customer specifications. FMEA systematically identifies potential failures and prioritizes actions to prevent them before they occur. Control plans define the inspection methods, frequencies, and reaction plans for every critical process characteristic. MSA ensures our measurement systems are accurate and reliable enough to make sound quality decisions. Now let us see how to implement IATF 16949 requirements in a practical, step-by-step approach. Successful implementation follows a structured roadmap that builds the quality management system progressively. We begin with a thorough gap analysis comparing our existing processes against every IATF 16949 requirement. We design and document processes using the process approach, ensuring clear inputs, outputs, and interactions. We deploy the 5 core quality tools that form the technical backbone of automotive quality management. Comprehensive training ensures every team member understands their role in maintaining quality standards. The certification audit validates that our system meets all requirements and is ready for automotive production. Beyond the standard itself, each automotive OEM adds customer-specific requirements that suppliers must also satisfy. We must ensure our own suppliers meet the same quality standards that our customers demand of us. Fast, effective problem resolution using methods like 8D is critical for maintaining customer confidence. Every change to product or process must be formally evaluated and approved before implementation. Complete traceability from raw material to finished product ensures we can respond quickly to any quality issue. Understanding how IATF 16949 builds upon ISO 9001 clarifies the additional rigor required for automotive quality. ISO 9001 provides a solid quality foundation, but allows significant flexibility in how requirements are met. IATF 16949 adds automotive-specific rigor, including mandatory quality tools and a zero-defect philosophy. Achieving and maintaining IATF 16949 certification requires careful preparation and a culture of quality. Process-based internal audits reveal systemic issues and verify that processes deliver their intended outcomes. Visible leadership commitment sets the tone for the entire organization and is a key audit focus area. Capturing and applying lessons learned prevents recurring issues and demonstrates genuine continuous improvement. Well-organized records provide the evidence auditors need to confirm that our system is effective and consistent. Let us recap the essential insights from our step-by-step guide to implementing IATF 16949. The standard adds mandatory quality tools and a zero-defect philosophy to the ISO 9001 foundation. Mastering these tools is non-negotiable for any organization seeking IATF 16949 certification. Each OEM customer may impose additional requirements that must be identified and satisfied. Following a systematic approach from gap analysis to certification audit saves time and reduces risk. If this preview demonstrated the value of structured automotive quality management, the full Udemy course provides detailed implementation guides, templates, and real-world examples for every requirement. Enroll today and drive quality excellence. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, pursue quality in everything you do.